Now this video short, I will show you how to shrink your PDF file size. On the right hand side here, my PDF file size is roughly 1.7 megabyte PDF, right? Which is on the left hand side. There's only one image and the file size is 1.7. So how am I going to reduce the file size? All you need to do is open this file using Preview, go to File, and then you do not export it as PDF. This is already in PDF, so you do not export to as PDF, but you press Export, and then you choose where is the folder that you wish to save this smaller size PDF file into. And then you head over to Filter, the Quarks filter drop down menu. You look for Reduce File Size. You rename it to another file name so that you will not overwrite the previous file, and save. There you go. From 1.7 megabyte, it's now being reduced to 30 kilobyte. I hope this video helps you. Subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video. Bye bye.